Baby-related words. Baby. Newborn. Infant. Crib. Baby bed. Toddler. Baby blanket. Diaper bag. Baby clothes. Baby pillow. Changing table. Onesie. Diaper. Wipes. Bib. Pacifier. Baby bottle. Baby laundry detergent. Formula. Baby bowl. High chair. Baby food. Baby spoon. Stroller. Baby car seat. Baby lotion. Carrier. Playpen. Baby bathtub. Baby shampoo. Baby powder. Baby oil. Rattle. Soft toy. Stuffed animals. Teether. Baby book. Baby monitor. Baby socks. Booties. Baby hat. Baby hairbrush. Baby towel. Potty. Baby walker. Baby swing. Baby mobile. Baby mat. Safety gate. Crying baby. Smiling baby. Laughing baby. Put to bed. Nap. Yawn. Wake up. Crawl. Sleeping baby. Sit. Stand. Walk. Play. Clap. Wave. Hug. Kiss. Coo. Babble. Talk. Eat. Drink. Chew. Swallow. Burp. Changing mat. Drool. Hold. Hooded towel. Baby toothbrush. Sing to the baby. Feed the baby. Change the diaper. Bath sponge. Baby soap. Wipe the baby. Stacking blocks. Baby nail clippers. Cuddle. Calm down. Soothe. Read to the baby. Show a toy. Pick up. Tickle. Share a toy. Cute baby. Put down. Swing. Hold hands. Night light. Swaddle. Baby carrier wrap. Nursing cover. Baby sound machine. Baby thermometer. Nasal aspirator baby. Baby comb. Rock a baby. Baby sunscreen. Baby record book. Baby photo album. Baby jumper. Bouncer seat. Play tunnel. Soft blocks. Baby swing chair. Foam floor tiles. Baby gate. Safety lock. Corner protectors. Outlet cover. Bottle warmer. Sterilizer. Baby snack container. Bottle brush. Baby feeding tray. Teething biscuits. Drool cloths. Nursery. Playroom. Daycare. Preschool. Pediatric hospital. Vaccination center. Baby store. Toy store. Baby clothing store. Library story time. Baby photography studio. Parent baby yoga. Nanny. Baby caregiver. Baby playgroup. Baby spa. Community center. Daycare worker. Nursery teacher. Midwife. Pediatric nurse. Ma. Preschool teacher. Dad. Parents. Grandmother. Grandfather. Grandparents. Big brother. Ramper. Big sister. Bassinet. Breast pump. Siblings. Sleeper. Stacking ring. Activity cube. Squeaky toy. Musical toy. Sensory balls. Teething ring. Bath toys. Crib toy. Nursing pillow. Sippy cup. Playing. Baby fork. Baby plate. Snack cup. Shape sorter. Baby food jars. Teething feeder. Travel bottle case. Playing peek-a-boo. Straw cup. Baby food processor. Baby cereal feeder. Baby cup holder. Baby food masher. Mittens. Pediatrician. Babysitter. Playground. Food storage containers.